Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm trying a Japanese cuisine. This is narutomaki, which is a fish cake. For this recipe, you need a completely deboned fish and also without any skin. And here I'm cutting it into small cubes so that it will be easy to grind in a blender. You can use any type of fish for this recipe. Also, you can use a combination of fish, prawns and squid. Now add all the fish pieces into a blender. Let's season it with some salt, sugar, all-purpose flour, corn flour, pepper powder, some garlic pieces and 1 egg white. Let's blend it into a smooth paste like this. Now I'm dividing it into 3 parts and let's mix the first part with some egg yolk and make it into a yellow colored paste. And into the second part, add some beetroot juice and make it a pink colored one. So in the actual recipe, red food color is used to make it. But when we have a natural coloring option, we should definitely try that. Now all the 3 parts are ready. Let's assemble it. Here I took a parchment paper and added the yellow portion and spread it. Now again in the actual recipe, they use a plastic sheet to spread the fish paste and they steam it in that. But cooking in plastic, it's not really healthy. So I tried it in parchment paper and it worked pretty well. Just shape the sides and let's spread the second layer. And here I'm pressing it with my hand so that it can spread evenly. Just make an even layer with this fish paste. You can slowly press it using a spatula. Now finally add the third layer with the pink colored fish paste. Once the third layer is also nicely spread, with the help of the paper, roll it tightly. Now as the yellow colored fish paste is a bit liquidy, it is sticking to the paper. So very gently roll it. And here I am transferring it into another parchment paper and again roll it tightly. Roll it as tightly as you can so that you can avoid the formation of air pockets inside. Lastly, I am rolling it in a plastic wrap so that it will not open up while steaming. And as it is wrapped on top of the parchment paper, it is not touching to the food. Now let's steam it for around 15 to 20 minutes. And it's ready. Let's open it. And let me show you how it looks when you cut through. Look at that beautiful spiral design. And this pink spiral pattern resembles the Naruto whirlpools in Japan. So this can be taken as a snack and you can dip it in any sauce and have it. And in Japan, they serve it as a side dish with soups and noodles. So definitely try out this amazing, delicious recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.